Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the ultimate AI showdown, DeepSeek versus ChatGPT. Which one is better? Which one should you be using? Stick around because we're going to show you real examples of outputs from both tools. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. First up, DeepSeek. This AI is a powerhouse for data analysis and complex problem solving. Let's see it in action. Here's an example. Let's ask DeepSeek, analyze the impact of inflation on the tech industry over the last 5 years. Look at this. DeepSeek gives us a detailed breakdown with graphs, stats, and actionable insights. It's perfect for professionals who need deep, data-driven answers, but as you can see, it's pretty technical, definitely not for casual users. Now let's switch to ChatGPT. This AI is all about conversation and creativity. Let's test it with the same question. Explain the impact of inflation on the tech industry over the last 5 years. Here's ChatGPT's response. It's clear, concise, and easy to understand. Perfect for beginners or anyone who wants a quick overview. But notice how it lacks the depth and detail that DeepSeek provides. That's the trade-off. Let's try something different. How about creative writing? Here's a prompt. Write a short story about a robot discovering emotions. ChatGPT nails it. The story is engaging, emotional, and well-written. This is where ChatGPT shines: creative tasks and storytelling. Now here's DeepSeek's take. It's more factual and less creative. While it's still interesting, it doesn't have the same emotional depth as ChatGPT's version. So, if you're a writer or content creator, ChatGPT is the clear winner here. Let's test both AIs with a coding task. Here's the prompt. Write a Python script to scrape data from a website. DeepSeek delivers a clean, functional script with comments explaining each step. It's perfect for developers who need precise, technical solutions. ChatGPT's script works too, but it's more basic and lacks the depth of DeepSeek's version. For quick tasks, ChatGPT is fine, but for complex coding, DeepSeek takes the lead. So who wins? It depends on your needs. DeepSeek, best for professionals, researchers, and developers who need deep technical insights. ChatGPT, best for beginners, writers, and casual users who want easy-to-use creative AI. And there you have it, DeepSeek versus ChatGPT with real examples. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech showdowns. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the future of AI.